job. All right. Oh, wow. Mighty Tuff crew. What letter is this? What's this? This. How about this? How about this? What letter? Oh, great job. What letter is this? C. This. R. W. Oh, you do you want help? Do you want Mama's help to open this? I need help. Come on. What do you... Uh-oh, he wants to cut it. What are you trying to do? He wants to cut it. Where's the dump truck? Oh, wow. So that's the dump truck. So where's the excavator? Oh, that's the excavator. Wow. All right. Now where's the bulldozer? That's the bulldozer? Oh, sweet. That's the bulldozer. Wow. And this is the excavator. What's the sound of the excavator? What? That is so loud. The excavator is so loud. Wow. The excavator is so loud. Okay, now I want to hear the sound of the bulldozer. I want to hear the sound. Oh, that's the sound of the bulldozer. Wow. Now I want to hear the sound of the dump truck. The dump truck. Oh, that is really loud. Okay, do you want Mama to get the rocks off? Oh, wow. Oops. Oops. Oh, wow. That's what the bulldozer does. Put the rocks in the dump truck. Wow. Good job, bulldozer. Good job. Now it's turn for the excavator. Come on, excavator. Where's the rocks? Let's put some rocks here in the ground. Oops, oops, oops. Come on, excavator. Come on. Come on, put some rocks. Oops, oops, oops. There you go. Oops, oops, oops. Look, oops. Yeah, that's how it works. Great job. Yeah, let's find some sand tomorrow. How about that? We'll find some sand. What's the name of that truck? Excavator. How about this? It's a bulldozer. And how about this?
Baby.
It's a dump truck. It's a dump truck. What's this?
Daddy.
Yes, it's a dump truck. It's a DT. That's a dump truck. DT. Oh my goodness. It's like I can't pronounce it, Mama, please. I can't pronounce dump truck. That's his bulldozer. Oops, careful, love.
Attack. Attack.
Mm-hmm.